Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the rotation of the Earth? Option A. Movement around the Sun. Option B. Spinning on its own axis. Option C. Orbiting the Moon. Option D. Moving through space. The correct answer is spinning on its own axis. How long does it take for the Earth to complete one rotation? Option A. 12 hours. Option B. 24 hours. Option C. 365 days. Option D. 30 days. The correct answer is 24 hours. In which direction does the Earth rotate when viewed from the North Pole? Option A. Clockwise. Option B. Anti-clockwise. Option C. East to west. Option D. West to east. The correct answer is anti-clockwise. What causes the cycle of day and night? Option A. Earth's revolution. Option B. Earth's rotation. Option C. Moon's orbit. Option D. Sun's movement. The correct answer is Earth's rotation. What is the path an object takes while revolving around another object called? Option A. Axis. Option B. Orbit. Option C. Rotation. Option D. Circumference. The correct answer is orbit. How long does it take for the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun? Option A. 24 hours. Option B. 30 days. Option C. 365 days and 6 hours. Option D. 12 months. The correct answer is 365 days and 6 hours. What is the tilt of the Earth's axis responsible for? Option A. Day and night. Option B. Seasons. Option C. Eclipses. Option D. Tides. The correct answer is seasons. What is a solar eclipse? Option A. When the Earth blocks the Sun. Option B. When the Moon blocks the Sun. Option C. When the Sun blocks the Moon. Option D. When the Earth rotates. The correct answer is when the Moon blocks the Sun. What occurs during a lunar eclipse? Option A. The Moon blocks the Sun. Option B. The Earth blocks the Sun from the Moon. Option C. The Sun blocks the Earth from the Moon. Option D. The Moon moves out of Earth's shadow. The correct answer is the Earth blocks the Sun from the Moon. What is the apparent size of an object influenced by? Option A. Distance and actual size. Option B. Color and brightness. Option C. Shape and texture. Option D. Movement and position. The correct answer is distance and actual size. What happens during a total solar eclipse? Option A. The Moon completely covers the Sun. Option B. The Earth completely covers the Moon. Option C. The Sun completely covers the Earth. Option D. The moon partially covers the sun. The correct answer is, the moon completely covers the sun. What should you avoid doing during a solar eclipse? Option A. Looking at the sun directly. Option B. Wearing eclipse glasses. Option C. Using a telescope. Option D. Watching from a safe distance. The correct answer is, looking at the sun directly. What is the significance of the Foucault pendulum? Option A. It measures time. Option B. It demonstrates Earth's rotation. Option C. It predicts eclipses. Option D. It shows the movement of stars. The correct answer is, it demonstrates Earth's rotation. What is the main reason for the change in the night sky over the course of a year? Option A. Earth's rotation. Option B. Earth's revolution. Option C. Moon's phases. Option D. Star movements. The correct answer is Earth's revolution. What is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere called? Option A. Winter solstice. Option B. Summer solstice. Option C. Equinox. Option D. Lunar eclipse. The correct answer is summer solstice. What is a partial solar eclipse? Option A. The moon completely covers the sun. Option B. The earth completely covers the moon. Option C. The moon partially blocks the sun. Option D. The sun partially blocks the moon. The correct answer is, the moon partially blocks the sun. What causes the seasons to be reversed in the northern and southern hemispheres? Option A. Earth's distance from the sun. Option B. Earth's axial tilt. Option C. Earth's rotation speed. Option D. Moon's orbit. The correct answer is Earth's axial tilt. What is the effect of the Earth's tilt on sunlight distribution? Option A. More intense sunlight in summer. Option B. Less intense sunlight in winter. Option C. Equal sunlight throughout the year. Option D. No effect on sunlight. The correct answer is more intense sunlight in summer. What is the apparent motion of stars in the night sky due to? Option A. Earth's rotation. Option B. Moon's orbit. Option C. Sun's movement. Option D. Stars' own motion. The correct answer is Earth's rotation. Why do we experience longer days in summer? Option A. Earth is closer to the sun. Option B. Earth's axial tilt. Option C. Earth rotates faster. Option D. Sun is larger. The correct answer is Earth's axial tilt. What is the main reason for the apparent motion of the sun across the sky? Option A. Sun's movement. Option B. Earth's rotation. Option C. Moon's orbit. Option D. Stars' movement. The correct answer is Earth's rotation. What happens to the North Pole during the summer solstice? Option A. It is in darkness. Option B. It receives continuous sunlight. Option C. It experiences winter. Option D. It has equal day and night. The correct answer is, it receives continuous sunlight. What is the duration of a day during the equinox? Option A. 12 hours. Option B. 24 hours. Option C. 6 hours. Option D. 18 hours. The correct answer is 12 hours. What is the effect of Earth's revolution on the visibility of stars? Option A. Stars remain fixed. Option B. Stars change position in the sky. Option C. Stars disappear. Option D. Stars become brighter. The correct answer is, stars change position in the sky. What is the cause of the seasons in the southern hemisphere? Option A. Tilt of Earth's axis. Option B. Distance from the sun. Option C. Earth's rotation. Option D. Moon's phases. The correct answer is, tilt of Earth's axis. What is the apparent motion of the moon across the sky due to? Option A. Earth's rotation. Option B. Moon's orbit. Option C. Sun's movement. Option D. Star's movement. The correct answer is, Earth's rotation. What is the significance of the solar and lunar eclipses? Option A. They are superstitions. Option B. They are opportunities for scientific study. Option C. They have no importance. Option D. They are predictable events. The correct answer is, they are opportunities for scientific study. How can we safely observe a solar eclipse? Option A. With naked eyes. Option B. Using eclipse glasses. Option C. Using binoculars. Option D. Using telescopes. The correct answer is, using eclipse glasses. What is the duration of a lunar eclipse? Option A. A few seconds. Option B. A few minutes. Option C. A few hours. Option D. A few days. The correct answer is, a few hours. What is the main reason for the apparent motion of the celestial objects? Option A. Earth's rotation. Option B. Earth's revolution. Option C. Moon's orbit. Option D. Sun's movement. The correct answer is, Earth's rotation. What is the effect of the Earth's axial tilt on the equator? Option A. Seasons are prominent. Option B. Equal day and night. Option C. Extreme weather. Option D. Longer winters. The correct answer is, equal day and night. What is the relationship between the Earth's rotation and the length of a day? Option A. Rotation affects day length. Option B. Rotation has no effect. Option C. Day length is constant. Option D. Day length varies with seasons. The correct answer is, rotation affects day length. What causes the change in stars visible in the night sky throughout the year? Option A. Earth's rotation. Option B, Earth's revolution. Option C, Moon's orbit. Option D, Stars movement. The correct answer is Earth's revolution. What is the apparent size of the moon compared to the sun during a solar eclipse? Option A, smaller. Option B, larger. Option C, similar. Option D, different. The correct answer is similar. What is the primary reason for observing eclipses? Option A, fear of the unknown. Option B, scientific interest. Option C, cultural significance. Option D, entertainment. The correct answer is scientific interest. What is the effect of the Earth's revolution on the seasons? Option A, seasons change. Option B, seasons remain constant. Option C, seasons are reversed. Option D, seasons are unpredictable. The correct answer is seasons change.